Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily convert any TCR document or book to any other format, MOBI, AZW3, EPUB, or even document like Word or PDF, and additional extra format. To begin, open your browser and type Calibre. We'll be downloading a little software from Calibre ebook management. Click on download and download the version which matches with your operating system. In this case, I'm a Windows user, so I'm choosing the Windows version. Click on Calibre, download. Wait until the software is downloaded and then install it as you install any other software. We have an additional video where we explain how you can download and install Calibre if you don't know how to do it. Once done, click on the icon of the Calibre to open from your desktop, and the software should open like this. As a next step, click on your document and drag to inside Calibre. Calibre will read the document and identify the format and the title. Right-click on your document, select Convert Books, convert individually, and then select the format to which you want to convert, if it's a PDF, Word, whatsoever format matches your need. Once done, edit the title, the author, etc. and click OK. Click on Jobs to see the progression, and once the progression is over, as like in this case, right-click and select Save to Disk. Save to disk in a single folder and choose to which folder you want to save it and click Save. And as you can see, it has automatically converted the document as needed. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.